Give us a sense for your personal history with computing. So, do you remember your first computer or project? What sparked this obsession with technology that you've now spent, 3+ decades in?
Yeah, great question. My first computer and first online experience came kind of together, and that was a Gateway 386 desktop computer, which had a Hayes 2400 baud modem that my family purchased. And we got on Prodigy, which was an early online service competitor to AOL. And then after that, got into BBSing and internet around similar time frame. I was so passionate and interested in the technology and learning how it worked. We were using a local ISP, and I think I sent them a note just asking if there was anything I could volunteer to work on to be an unpaid intern. And fortunately, they were kind enough to take me in, and I was just a teenage kid who didn't even have a driver's license. And I got to play with modems and working on the production website live and learning Unix.